Hey guys, this is me versus the guy they tell you not to worry about. Look how decked out this guy is.
Dude, I look like an absolute dick.
Dressed down to the nines, looks like he's ready to go burn out a 30-minute moto.
I'm gonna fucking blow some heaters out here.
Listen, fellas, we're about 42 days post-op, back on the bike. Doctor didn't tell me I can yet, so hopefully he doesn't watch this video. Don't worry, Doc, I'm gonna keep it safe and hopefully keep it on 2 wheels. Yeah, we're back with another video. I apologize for the lack of content in the YouTube videos. It's not John's fault, but
I'm back now.
We are gonna blame John for it, though. I'm not taking any shit for that. Yeah, right now is a big weekend for the big fella. We're gonna head over to Walden Playground. No, what is it? No, it's Walden Playboy, I think they call it. We're heading up to Walden, New York tomorrow for the Loretta Lynn's area qualifier. We're gonna see if Big Dog could qualify for the big show. Yeah, he's gonna be racing all weekend. Little 30+ action, 25+ action vet class. We're doing some training right now on the pitters. We're currently in New Jersey. Beautiful warm weather. John's back finally. We don't have to use a phone to record bullshit. We finally have his camera. Thank you guys always for the support. Make sure you're heading over to thisgensucks.com. We changed the website name. Best quality merch in the game. Make sure you guys are always liking, commenting, subscribing to the channel. Top comment gets free merch at 1,000 likes. Make sure you comment in when the YouTube channel hits 50,000 subscribers. I'm giving a random subscriber $500. So make sure you're clicking the subscribe button. Thank you guys always for the support. Your mother just emailed me, so I got to go down the block and go answer it. Love yous. Stay amazing. Let's get back into an amazing YouTube video.
Oh shit! Oh, buddy lost
Look
it.
at this.
Yo,
Rip this part.
dude, that was actually so funny.
Women?
Nah, not really. That looks
just watch
disgusting.
you don't get a tick on your dick, dude.
I know,
I got
right?
4 of them on my cock.
Last time you were here?
4 ticks right on the shaft of my dick.
Really?
That's because it's that big.
Oh.
Shit, dude. You want to see Daddy do it better?
Fuck me.
Oh!
Goggles are a must, dude. And a helmet too, folks. Bro, it's crazy because like the deeper you go, the better the dirt gets.
Yeah. What is this guy doing?
Oh! Listen, very creative, very demure, very slightly fruity.
Oh! Boy, blew the suspension out.
I don't. What was that? That might have been the chain.
What is all
Some
this?
brake on there? What?
Oh, it could have been the kickstand. Probably bounced down and up.
Yeah, I don't know.
You're gonna hit it now?
My turn. Psych. All right, yo, how about this? If you jump it,
Me?
if you jump this and land to the bottom, I'll give you a $5,000 raise at the end of the month.
Oh my fuck.
Really?
5,000. You gotta jump this from there and land into the downside of this thing.
Are you serious?
I'll give you $5,000. Even if you end up in the hospital, that'll pay for all your medical bills.
I
You got health insurance?
Yeah, I got insurance.
Oh shit! So your medical bills are paid. You're just gonna get it on top. And honestly, no Diddy. I'll mop you up.
Do I have to get that amount of air? Just get over there.
Get to the downside right there.
Not even
you
where
have
he.
to get that much air.
Not even where he's landing.
No, well, where he's landing, you need to get that much air.
My thing is the run up
you know
is
how to
like.
ride that fucking thing?
Look at the run up on that thing though. Bro, there's no run up. That's the thing.
You know.
You're gonna get ticks galore back there.
I want a tick on my dick.
Exactly. If there was a
Call 1-800-YOURMOTHER.com. Listen, honestly, bro, I know you guys are gonna bitch at me, but yeah, bro, the fact that I'm even able to do some of the shit that I'm doing is pretty amazing. When I went to go see my doctor, that was cute. When I went to go see Doc, he said everything's healing right. The rod looks good. I think I'll be back on a bike in probably, hopefully, I want to say 5 weeks. Or actually, I think in 4 weeks, I'll be able to like ride some trails, hit nothing big. And then come June, I have another checkup in about 6 weeks with him. Hopefully in June, I'll be back on the bike. Me and Johnny will be at Fox Raceway for the first round of pro motocross. It's gonna be really good. We're gonna be cheering on Ty Masterpool. I personally think Ty's gonna get the title this year. And it's funny because I'm not even saying that because I like Ty. I genuinely dislike him a lot. And Ty, if you're watching this, like I made you, first of all. Ty Masterpool is him because of me. Or Ty Swimming Pool, however you want to call him. We'll be at the first round of Pro Moto. Hopefully we'll make a couple nationals this year. But yeah, we're going to bring Johnny on board, get all the content as much as we can. I'd like to get more behind the scenes action of these pros that you guys don't get to see. So we're going to get in the mix and try to keep it fun. So it's going to be a good outdoor season. Hopefully Jet doesn't go undefeated this year again because that was the most boring season of all fucking time and I don't want to watch that again. Hopefully the 450, hopefully Tomac makes a comeback so he could spice up the competition a little bit. And guys, make sure you're going to Johnny_edits on Instagram because John is lacking on creativity, okay? And he's a lonely guy. So if you want to go to his DM box, don't send him nudes. He has a girlfriend, so lay off the nudes. But he's a good guy. So send him a dick pic, tell him I said hi.
Yo, that's crazy.
And we'll take it from there.
Oh, fuck! Woo!
What the hell's this guy doing?
Yeah! Shit!
Yo, Duke, you good?
Yeah, bro, I'm just using the new Lawnmower 5.0 Ultra that Manscaped gave me. I'm trying to polish up my balls right now.
Why are you sitting down?
Buddy, how else do you want me to shave my fucking ass with this thing? So can you get out and give me some privacy, asshole?
My fault, bro.
My nutsack literally feels like The Rock's head right now. Should I probably not allowed to show them, right? Yeah, whatever. Guys, the new Lawnmower 5.0 Ultra by Manscaped. Use my code GOMEZ for 20% off plus free shipping at manscaped.com. If you want to polish up your beanbag, Manscaped is the way to go. And if you don't want to smell like shit, they also provide this fantastic body wash that makes you smell absolutely fantastic. So if you want to get laid, go to manscaped.com, use my code GOMEZ and get yourself 20% off plus free shipping. Love yous. All right, fellas, just got done ripping a few laps on the pitters. As you can see here, we have a lot of merch. There's fucking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 6, 7, 9 boxes of merch. More in the back. We're gonna be at Walden tomorrow for the whole weekend. Like I said, for the qualifier. Gonna sell some merch underneath the tent. Gonna have a little setup. And as always, everywhere I go, wherever I sell merch, you know I gotta give back to my community that supports me the most, which is you fellas. So every person that buys something at Walden, we're gonna give away. I actually just bought this the other John. Wait till you see this. It's actually a sick ass helmet.
What brand is that?
Leah. I didn't even know they made helmets.
That's actually sick as fuck.
And I'll tell you what, I'm pretty impressed at how, I mean, I'm obsessed with Bell. That's the brand that I use. And that's pretty sweet, right? Even the goggles are sick.
Yeah, that's
So, yeah,
sick.
I'm gonna give this to a random person that buys whatever underneath the tent tomorrow. That's the exact bin that I wanted. Look, she just bought me a new bin. How sweet. Yeah, we're loading up 494's bike. Should be a fun weekend.
Collecting dust back there, those two other ones.
Oh, dude. You wanna see it? Now we changed the web. Actually, oh no, I'm an idiot.
What?
It's still DukeGomez.com. I was
Okay,
saying
graphics.
thisgensucks.com the whole day. I don't know why I said thisgensucks.com. My website is still DukeGomez.com. So fuck it. We're gonna add in another advertisement to sell the merch. Go to DukeGomez.com. Give me your credit card information, and I will give you a T-shirt. Yeah, this is the bike that I busted my ass on. Honestly, this was the only damage that I did to the bike. Just that. I tweaked the bars a little bit. The front number plate snapped off. But
That isn't the only damage.
nah, it's not the only damage. Thanks for clarifying that. I appreciate
Was a
that.
little retarded. Did you
Yeah.
hit your head when you fell?
I did actually a little bit, but I probably should have hit it a little bit harder. Why weren't you there? Bro, everybody watching this
Because
is
you called me literally the
Bro,
day before the race.
literally, guys, I offered John 10 grand
He's
to
capping.
my bullshit.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm lying. I didn't
Bro, if
offer
you
him 10
offered
grand.
10 grand,
You would've quit everything?
I would have ran to Florida.
Yeah, so everybody asking for the footage of the crash, we sadly don't have it.
I'll be there
That-
next time, guys.
Yeah, that made the recovery process a lot worse, not having the video of the crash, because I would have watched that over and over, because I don't know what it is, but I enjoy just watching myself eat shit, which is fucking weird. But yeah, dude, the bike is still spiffy. Honestly, this was the only thing I was concerned about when I got hurt, because the body heals, but the bike doesn't unless you dump in a lot more money to buy parts on it. So luckily the bike's okay. I can't wait to rip it. I mean, this thing just sits here and looks pretty the whole time, and it's pretty sad. My other bike looks good. John's gonna ride this next
I actually
week.
really like that Pro Taper bars.
Yeah, why are you so
into
into the yellow? You're fucking weird, dude.
I just like the yellow on the Husky.
Let me tell them something. My cameraman's gay.